Long ago, Earth's greatest ninja sacrificed himself to keep the universe safe from the monster Galvanax. 10 years later, the Rangers fought many battles to protect the legendary ninja power stars. Finally, Galvanax was defeated. But the ruthless Madame Odious survived and rose to power, determined to take the stars for herself. Only one team of heroes can stop her.
It's Morphin time!
They are Power Rangers Super Ninja Steel.
I need to juice up with some electricity! Aha! That car has a battery! Yum, yum! Every gulp of electricity makes me more powerful! Listen, folks! Once I'm charged up, destroying the Rangers will be easy!
Now! Give it up for Voltipede! How are my biorhythm energies, Monty? You know I need to be in tip-top shape.
You're only at 50%, Victor.
What? Only 50?
Look out! Victor!
Butt out, fools! That was the last of the energy on this street! I've got to find some more!
Victor, that monster zapped you.
It says you're at 1,000%.
I'd say 1,000,000. I feel fantastic.
You're supercharged.
Even the Rangers can't do that. This could take me places.
Crushing evil with all the might to get a ninja steel. Never give up without a fight to get a ninja steel. Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go! Standing up for what is right to get a ninja spin. Watching all that day or night to get a ninja steel. Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go! Ninja Steel! Go, go, Power Rangers! Ninja Steel! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go! Ninja Steel!
Oh, come on.
Car trouble, ma'am?
Oh, thanks, but I already called a mechanic.
Oh. Well, I have a little time before school starts. I could take a quick look.
Okay, sure.
Yeah?
Thanks.
Yeah. So it looks like your starter motor's fried. You've got a dead battery, and your
Main fuses are blown. Hey, I'm Joe. Joe's towing.
Nice truck. I'm Kelvin of Summer Cove High.
You're still in high school?
Yeah.
I don't believe it. The way you figured out the problem with this engine, heck, I thought you were a professional mechanic.
Really? Well, that's what I want to be, you know, someday.
Someday. For what you know, you could be working for me tomorrow.
Oh, wait. Are you offering me a job?
Yes, sirree.
Hey, are you guys gonna fix my car or what?
Yes, ma'am. Coming right up.
Yeah! And bam, we fixed that lady's car in no time. It was so awesome.
Really?
Yeah. And Joe offered me a job.
Hey!
What?
Right on the spot. It's amazing, Joe. I guess Joe knows a good thing when he sees it.
Thanks. Yeah, so I said yes, and I'm gonna be working for Joe's Towing full time.
What about school?
Oh, I'm done. I'm quitting. Hi, can I have a banana smoothie, please?
What? Babe, you're not even close to being done with high school.
Hales, it's my dream to be a pro mechanic, and here's my chance. Besides, you know that I'm not great at school. It's kind of tough for me.
Just because school's tough doesn't mean you should give up. I mean, no pain, no gain. Remember?
Sorry, but being a mechanic is my passion. And Joe says that I know enough and I'm ready.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, guys, I'm sure. Please support me. Shoot. I have to go meet Joe. He says the phone's been ringing off the hook with broken down cars. I'll see you guys later.
You know, it's weird how many cars have been having electrical problems lately.
I can do this.
Come on. So, who called for a mechanic? Okay, we'll get to everyone. Can I help you, ma'am?
I think my battery's dead.
Take a look.
Because there's nothing we can't fix.
Which car's yours?
Right over here.
Boy, you're in a good mood today.
Well, yeah. I'm finally a real mechanic.
Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, guys.
Oh, hey.
Sorry I'm late. Today was non-stop. Thanks.
But you do look happy, Mr. Real Deal Mechanic.
Yeah, today was busy, but it was so great. But the weird thing is, most of the cars we fixed today had the same issue.
What do you mean?
Their electrical systems are totally fried.
Is that a common problem for Earth cars?
Not really, no.
Interesting.
Well, what is it, Mick?
It's a pattern, is what it is. I just wonder what's causing it.
I'm sure Joe will know. I can ask him tomorrow. But, who's ready for some ninja training, eh?
Hey, now you're talking my language.
1, 2, 3.
Morning, Joe.
Morning. This car won't start either. Another electrical fault.
Just like yesterday. What do you think's causing it?
I don't have any idea.
Well, aren't you a little curious about why all these cars have the same issue? Don't you want to figure it out?
Listen, kiddo. A car mechanic's job is to fix cars. As long as I'm doing that, I'm happy as a clam. You gonna help me with this or what?
Monster! Run! Run!
Ah, jeez. What's he doing?
Another car down!
Ninja spin!
Huh? What? Wow! A ranger? Great! I've gathered just enough electricity to shock you till you drop! Have a taste of the electricity I've been stealing!
So, it was you who drained the electricity from those car batteries.
Want it back? Darn!
That was close.
One hit and you'll be toast!
Better take cover. Guys, I need help.
What is it?
Mick was right. There is a pattern. A monster's sucking power out of car batteries and it's making him super strong.
Okay, we'll be there as fast as we can.
Bring some firepower. This guy's really strong.
Okay.
So you want to play hide and seek, eh? Aha! Too bad the mirror gave you away. I win!
Not yet, you have it. Oh yeah, the big guns are here.
Heads up, bug breath!
Yeah,
Yes, a direct hit.
great shot, Brody.
That'll teach him.
Ah! I'll get you for that!
Whoa! Oh no! The sword's been damaged! It's going down. I got an abandoned ship!
It's gonna crash.
Brody, you're okay.
Yeah, but the line fire sword isn't.
I destroyed your ship, and now I'll destroy you!
It's payback time. Let's crush this bug. Ninja Battle Morpher, Aero Blast! Gold Battle Morpher, Star Blast! Together!
I used all my energy attacking your Zord. When I find some more, I'll zap you out of dust!
I can't believe he took out the Line Fire Zord.
Believe me, that dude was one tough customer. When he gets more power, we're in trouble.
What's up, Mick?
I'm getting readings on some strange electrical activity originating here at the high school, but I can't quite pinpoint the cause.
Voltabeam could be stealing electricity at the school. We can't let him power up again.
Hold on, what about the Lion Fire Sword? If it blasted him at full power, we might be able to take him out.
But it crashed. How do we get it running again?
You guys, check out the school. I'll see if I can fix the Lion Sword.
No, wait, Mick, how about if I fix it? I am a pro after all.
Calvin. The Lion Fire Sword's engines are a little more complex than you're used to.
Come on, at least give me a shot.
Well, okay, Calvin.
Yes.
Okay, then that's the plan. Calvin will fix the Lion Sword while the rest of us figure out what's going on at the school.
On it. Okay, Cal. Time to show him what you got. I've never seen anything like this. Mick, I was wrong. I'm looking at the Lion Fire engine systems, and honestly, I have no idea where to start.
What was that?
Mick, what are you doing here?
Oh, I was just passing by. Now, what were you saying?
I have no idea how to fix this. I thought I could figure this out on my own, but I was so wrong.
Oh, lucky I brought my tools then. First, we'll use the ionic decompressor to realign the crystal matrix.
How did you learn to work on spaceships?
I focused on school until I graduated. That's how.
Right.
So, you want to give me a hand?
Yeah.
First, we need to unlock the crystal contacts.
You guys see anything?
Everything seems to be pretty normal.
Yeah. Come on, let's get to the base.
You got it.
I uploaded the video of you being electrified, but someone deleted it.
That someone is me. And who are you? My name is Agent 007.
007?
Not seven. Sven. I'm Swedish.
Oh.
If you really have electro abilities, then your country needs you.
For a top secret mission?
The top secretest. We're talking so secret that you won't even know what you're doing.
Oh, that is perfect for Victor. What?
But first, I need to know that you really possess limitless electricity.
No need to plug in.
He's the real deal.
Nothing has more electricity than this power plant! I've hit the jackpot! Soon I'll be powerful enough to destroy all the Rangers!
I'm not getting anything on the scanners!
Switch to electromagnetic pulses. Hey! Cal, how'd it go?
The Lion Sword's ready if we need it.
Hey, you really are a great mechanic.
Well, actually, it was all Mick. Turns out I have a lot more to learn.
You'll get there, buddy. For right now, we need to find Voltabeam.
Suffering circuits! The entire city of Summer Cove has lost power!
Are you sure, Redbot?
Yep. I'm pretty sure it has.
That's gotta be Voltabeam.
He must be at the Summer Cove power plant.
Well, come on. We gotta hurry.
The power plant's just a few blocks away.
You're too late! I'm already fully powered up!
It's time to unplug you. For good. It's Morphin time! Power stars!
Lock in! Ready!
Ninja spin!
Ninja Rangers, fear no danger. Ready for a zappin'?
Ready for our fusion star attack?
Too slow! That was just a taste! Now I'll destroy you one by one! Basher bots! Finish them!
I can take on the Basher bots. Can you guys take care of Voltipede? Sure can, bro.
Swarm them!
Careful! Don't let him do another electrical attack! I know what you boys need! Rock Storm Blast!
Let's try and combine our attacks.
Ninja Blast!
Hey, Brody.
What's up?
Can I try out the Lion Fire Armor Star?
Sure. You think it'll work?
If it does, I want to take him down myself. Lion Fire Armor Star, lock in! Ninja spin! Out of the fire and into the fight! Lion Fire Yellow!
Whoa! Epic! You got this, Calvin!
I sure do!
Where'd he go?
Surprise!
Whoa!
Even with your lion armor, you can't keep me down! I'm still full of power!
And so am I! Lion Fire Armor Star, lock in! Time to give the Lion Powers a yellow twist. Lion Fire Ninja Spin! Lion Fire Flame Spin! Final attack! Yeah! We really short-circuited his plan.
And those Basher bots are history, too.
Woo! Nice job.
Let's head back to base.
Well, well, well. What do we have here? Finders keepers.
Time for round two! Gigantify!
I'm back in charge!
Uh-oh. Guess it's not over yet.
Lock in! Activate! Ninja Spin!
Falcon Sword!
Serpent Zord! Panda Zord!
Tortoise Sword! Piranha Zord!
Tiger Zord!
Ninja Blaze Megazord combined! Ninja Spin! Ninja Blaze Megazord, ready! Ninja Super Steel Mode, ready! Let's do this!
Time to unleash my full power!
You call that a lot of power?
Levi? He's getting back up!
What's he doing? We're trapped. We can't move.
Guys, I know just the thing to get us out of here. Activate! Ninja Spin!
Yeah! We're loose! Great idea, Calvin!
Thanks, Lion Fire Zord!
Ninja Blaze Megazord, begin final attack!
Ninja Blaze Megazord, Ranger Blast! Final attack!
Oh no! A shocking defeat!
Show's over, ninjas win!
The entire city's without power. Hospitals, transportation, innocent children.
They're all counting on you, Victor, to restore vital electricity.
My first mission.
You did it! The city's power is restored.
I saved the city. I'll be a legend. Now you'll send me on electrifying missions all over the world, right?
Exactly. Hold on.
What happened to your electricity?
Oh, when you charged the city, you must have drained your power.
But I still get to be a secret agent, right, Sven?
Well, hey, look over there.
What is it, Sven? I don't see... Sven! Wait! What is it? Wait! Sven!
Calvin, let's go to work, buddy. Hey, where's your uniform?
Oh, hey, Joe. Well...
Everything okay?
Yeah, of course. But there is something I need to say. You gave me the job I've always dreamed of. Thing is, even though I know a lot about cars, I want to know about other things too. Like airplanes and trains and spaceships even. So, I'm gonna go back to school. It's tough for me, but no pain, no gain. Right?
Very smart decision. You're a bright young man. I was lucky to get to work with you.
I think I was the lucky one.
See you around, kid.
See you, Joe.
I'm so proud of you, Calvin.
Hey, we all are.
Thanks, guys.
That giant, creepy crawly was a waste of time!
Perhaps not, madam. Voltabede knocked something from the Rangers' hands during their battle, and now it's ours.
That's the Rangers' Ninja Fusion Star!
Indeed, it is.
Good work, Dynamon! With this in our possession, the Rangers are doomed!